absolutely love this blue color on these new Denalis. The wheels are they're different. I'm still getting used to the wheel. When I look at it, the cooler it is, but they're weird at first. So we got a 2026 Denali. I don't know what it says in color, but downpour metallic. It's a metallic blue. Got the matching bumper, got the Denali tailgate. I mean, I don't know how many times you want people to show you how that tailgate works. Yes, it opens up into a step. And yes, you can get speakers to mount in it. Got the chrome mirrors. Got the Denali chrome grille. It's got the awesome brown interior. It's my favorite one. So what do we got? This is $122,295. Now this is identical to my 25. Well, it's got all the actual real wood grain. It's not fake. It's got both glove boxes. Hey, what the hell? Doesn't have a safe in it. Mine's got a safe. The safe probably cost me an extra $1,000. But it's beautiful. I love the smell of a new truck. Now, I'm not doing much for test driving on these things right now due to weather and roads being real nasty and getting these beautiful trucks all dirty, but I did drive an identical one. It was just gray, same year, everything. And they do ride better than my dually, even in a one-ton. They are a bit smoother because I was driving it up the gravel road to the shop where I work. And just noticed a little bit of a difference. Pulling power is spectacular in these. I hauled my 40-foot fifth wheel with mine up here, way up north. And it drives like a dream. And a lot of guys are, just mouthing off online about reliability. I've had a 24 and I've had a 25 and I drive it every day. Mine has started in minus 47 this year. I've had zero issues with it. None. We have one on the fleet for the company I work for. It's a 22 and it's got 140,000 kilometers on it. And that thing spends hours and hours idling all winter long, like ridiculous amount. Idles way longer than it should, and it's had zero issues. So take it with a grain of salt. We have a lot of Chevys and GMCs at the shop that the guys drive, and a lot of them have been so reliable. They get so much abuse. So I myself, being I'm hanging around the dealerships and stuff like that, I haven't come across the issues that you're seeing online. I'm not saying they don't exist, and I'm not paid by Chevy or GMC. I'm just lucky enough I get to test drive them all the time, but take it with a grain of salt. I'll let you know if I have any issues with mine, trust me. So that's 26 Denali. Just wanted to show you because I got a weakness for this blue. It's such a beautiful color. I would definitely buy a blue one too. I would buy lots of these things. Awesome, just awesome. I can't believe I get to drive these on the regular. Like it's just a normal day off for me. Very fortunate, let me tell you. I forgot, this one has the same cameras as mine. So we'll just back it in here. Very handy, let me tell you. Now, I wanted to show you camera scan. Let's go camera scan. Is it this one? This one? There we go. See? That's the wheel camera. I believe they have 11 cameras on this truck, including the ones in the mirror. See? It's very handy because, say you got a bunch of people in the back or you got a load in the box, you can just go like that. Love it.